how to remove malware from your computer or laptop. So if you suspect you have malware or a virus on your computer, I'm going to show you a few things that you need to go and do. So the first step is open up your start menu. You can then search for MRT and click on this command here. Now this is the built-in malicious software removal tool on your computer. So what you can do is press next. You can start with a quick scan, but if nothing's found, you can also run the full scan as well, and then just go and press next. You'll then need to wait while this scans your computer for any potential viruses. If anything's found, it will automatically repair them here. Now once you've done this, open up your start menu again, search for the word run and click on this icon. Now type in the word temp and press enter. And then what we're going to do is delete all of the files in this folder. So you can press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything. You can click on the trash icon. If you get this message pop up, just select do this for all current items and press skip. Now these are just temporary files, so don't worry about deleting them. Once you've done this, open up your start menu again, search for run and click on this icon. This time type in %temp %, and press enter. Now what you'll need to do is press Ctrl A on your keyboard once again and go and delete all of these files. If there's some files that can't be deleted, then don't worry, you can just go and leave these. Now finally, open up an internet browser on your computer and then from a search box type in the word Malwarebytes and click on this website, which is malwarebytes.com. Now this is a free antivirus application that we can use to scan for any malware. Now this is important as it's more of a comprehensive scan than the built-in one on your computer. So press free download. After a few seconds, you can click on your downloads folder and go and open up the installation file. Now I already have this installed, but you can essentially just go through the steps to install this onto your computer. Once it's finished installing, open up the app. And then you can perform a free scan using the scanner, and this will also scan for any malware or viruses on your PC. If anything's found, it will repair them using this built-in free tool, and that's how to check for viruses and malware in Windows 11.